Yeah.
Yo, this is Top Flight, and we are back on our SB19 journey. We're going to check out some more from the Wish Bus performance. This one is Liam. I think it's Liam,
I
which
think we've heard this
translates as
song before,
letter. Yeah,
definitely.
we did hear the song before. We didn't get to watch it on the Wish
Bus.
Bus, but about to check it out. See what's
go.
popping.
Wish.
Ang aking mundo ay payapa
1075.
sa di malamang dahilan. At noon ay buo kong inakala lahat ay ayos na naman. Nang bigla na lang ay dumating ang di hinantay, nagbabalat kayong himala. Mga pasan ay gumaan, ikaw ang tanging dahilan. Sa'yo lang napuno ng kasiguraduhan. Narito ako, tapat lang at totoo. Pinapangako sa iyo. Ito ang aking liham sa pag-ibig ko. Di hahayaan na mag-isa ka sa kahit na ano. Ikaw lang ang himpilan ng aking puso. Sa piling mo'y panatag ang buong pagkatao. Ligaya ng aking mundo. Okay, rami ng mga bagay na hindi natin maintindihan. Sa kabila ng lahat ay pilit nating binabalikan ang mga panaginip na inaasam. Ako'y binuo ng mabutit masamang karanasan. Puno man ng mansya'y tinuring karangyaan. Nagkinangana na lang, pagmamahal mo ay wala. Anumang pag-abang kiyaabang. Narito ako, magpapagal para sa'yo. Handang isuko ang buo. Ito ang aking liham sa pag-ibig ko. Di hahayaan na mag-isa ka sa kahit na ano. Ikaw lang ang himpilan ng aking puso. Sa piling mo'y panatag ang buong pagkatao. Ligaya ng aking mundo.
I think that's the first time we've seen outside the bus, right? That's crazy.
Paano kaya kung hindi tayo nagkita?
Wish exclusive on Wish 1075.
Ang buhay ko'y matatawag pang mapangbuhay. bituin Ang tignan nito'y patingin sa nakaraan Di gunit ang tunay O paumanhin Wala ka man sa alaala ko'y habang buhay kitang mamahalin Inugo mo ng bituin Ikaw lang siyang mamahalin Ito ang aking paumanhin Habang buhay kang mamahalin Iginugo mo Ikaw lang siyang mamahalin Ito ang aking paumanhin Ito ang aking liham sa pag-ibig ko Di hahayaan o mag-isa ka sa kahit na ano Liham sa pag-ibig ko Pinapangako na ang bituin ko ay para lang sa'yo Ikaw lang ang himpilan ng aking puso Mag-isang harap o nakaraan Ikaw lahat ako aking mundo Ligaya ng aking mundo
The homie with the red hair, Stell, I think his name is Stell. He got to show off his vocals on that one. He got to
Yeah.
go reckless on that one. That was dope. As you said, that was the first time we got to see the outside of the bus because I was wondering what was going on because I'd see like people crossing. I was like, "What's going? Is the bus moving or is it like?"
I always saw people on both sides. I thought like they were like with their lights up. I kind of would see it in the reflection, but not that clear. But now it makes a lot of sense, and it's actually a super dope idea. Like I'm surprised more people haven't tried to like
Copy
emulate
that.
that idea because it keeps them in a so they can focus in. Like it's almost like you're focused in on like in. It's like almost in the booth. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So that's and I do appreciate that. I feel like they sing live.
Mm-hmm.
You know, and I got to say that because I know 50% to 80% of people don't sing live, so I don't fully know, but I assume they do because I can almost tell like when they're live on stage, it doesn't sound CD quality, which is a good thing because you're actually like you get to like if you want to hear the CD, just go hear the CD real loud.
Definitely.
If you want to feel
Definitely.
the energy, you got to feel it. So yeah, shout out to SB19
SB19.
and all the members.